how to preserve your clothing when packing them up for moving day. The first thing you need to do is get rid of clothes that don't fit or you aren't using. After you've pared down, sort your clothes by season so you only have to unpack the clothes you need when you need them. Third, wash any clothes that need it. If they're dirty now, they'll be even worse if they've been ruminating for weeks or months by the time you unpack. After you've washed the dirty clothes, fold and place them in a box. For clothes that aren't going to be unpacked quickly, protect them from mildew, dust, and odors by placing them into plastic totes instead of cardboard boxes. However, if you're going to be unpacking the items within a couple of weeks, it's safe to pack them in traditional moving boxes. Load the box with heavy items first, like jeans, sweaters, and jackets, then move to your lighter ones, like t-shirts, socks, and underwear. You can save space by using the army roll method. For hanging clothes, you can either buy a wardrobe box where you place the hangers directly onto a rod, or just tie a bag around your hangers and fold them into a regular box. If you need help on how to declutter, watch our other video and follow for more packing tips.